स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन का कोई नॉन गवर्नमेंटल इदारा ज़रूर हो सकता है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर पे कोई नहीं। सर यहाँ आप अपनी बात कर लें कि क्या इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट करती है इस तरह की कोई मतलब बॉडी? इट डज। अच्छा, वो एक्सपोर्ट सेक्टर के लिए है, एग्जिस्ट करती है, या कि
No,
सिर्फ लोकल लोकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए भी?
for all manufacturing, whether domestic use or for exports, there is a regulator here.
राइट। उसका एक्सपीरियंस हम लेना चाहते हैं। हमें आप मैडम आप इस सिलसिले में थोड़ा सा हमें गाइड करें ना, कि वो स्टैंडर्ड जो आप यहाँ मीट कर रहे हैं उसकी उसकी क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस की जो आपके यहाँ पे तरीक़ाकार है, उसको हम अगर शेयर करते हैं तो इनका क्वेश्चन रिजॉल्व हो सकता है, इनके मसला हल हो सकता है।
Right. Thank you. I'll take one last question. Yeah.
My name is Ali Mehdi. I lead the Health Policy Initiative at ICRIER. We have a research program on drug regulatory reforms in India, and the onus of quality check is on the receiving country, not on the exporting country. So the medicines that are exported from India, the onus is on the receiving country. So the CDSCO will be largely concerned with the drugs for the domestic market. So CDSCO does not regulate the export of medicines to other countries.
नहीं है, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ ना है, पूरी
Let me.
दुनिया में नहीं।
But not for the export. So if
Yes, there is for the export.
Okay.
You know, they have to
Exactly.
follow.
If you are exporting to the US,
Oh, sir,
it is the
बात
US
ये है कि
FDA
वो
that comes
तो
into play.
छुरी कांटे
If you
हैं।
are exporting to
उसका क्या?
Europe, it's the EMA and the local drug regulatory authority that will come into play. Similarly, if you are importing from Pakistan, it is the regulator in the Indian context who has to step up. It
Yes.
is not the. It will be a very, it will be a positive thing if it's the regulator from the other side also, which is the exporting country, but it's largely the importing country which has to play a major role, in terms of quality checks. I think this is something that we have to.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
clear.
If you would like to
I'd
briefly.
just like to clarify, for the sake of information of the House, that when an Indian manufacturer makes either medical devices or pharmaceuticals, he's regulated. Whether he decides to send a batch of production across to US or to other countries, it has yet to be verified and supported by quality checks of India. US FDA is in addition to whatever checks probably Indian authorities do for any drug or medical device manufacturer in India. Similarly, what I think Mr. Ashok's question was that are there any certifying bodies for surgical devices in Pakistan, whether for export or for even domestic consumption, is what probably the question of Mr. Ashok was. So I just like to clarify
अभी
that point.
मैं इस बात पे अभी बात कर चुका हूँ कि देयर इज़ नो रेगुलेटरी बॉडी फॉर सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, not medical devices. Medical devices is absolutely another field. हम यहाँ फोकस कर रहे हैं सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट की, छुरी कांटों की बात कर रहे हैं हम, ठीक है ना। छुरी कांटों की बात जो है ना, उसमें मोहब्बत वाली छुरी कांटे जिससे इलाज किया जाता है, ठीक है ना, उसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं। तो उसकी रेगुलेटरी जो अफेयर्स है ना, वो शायद डेवलप कंट्रीज़ में भी आई डोंट थिंक के मौजूद हों। अब आप जो बता रहे हैं ना मुझे, आप मेडिकल डिवाइसेस की बात ना कर रहे हों जिसकी रेगुलेटरी बॉडी हो। अब सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इंडिया के अंदर जो बन रहे हैं, उसको उसकी स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन क्वालिटी को एश्योर करने के लिए क्या है कोई आपकी बॉडी या नहीं है?
हाँ, मैं उसी में बता रहा हूँ कि जो हमारी मेडिकल डिवाइसेस की पॉलिसी है, दैट टेक्स केयर ऑफ द सर्जिकल डिवाइसेस एज वेल। सर्जिकल डिवाइसेस मेडिकल डिवाइसेस में गिने जाते हैं, और इंडिया में काफ़ी क्लस्टर्स हैं, एंड वन इज़ probably just 3 hours away from here, 4 hours away from here, which is called the Bhiwani cluster, which manufactures only surgical devices.
Thank you so much. Rashid Saab, would you like to briefly say something?
After listening to this debate, I would say, whether Pakistani surgical instruments are of poor quality only for India, not for rest of the world, I would imagine it's a simple business relationship that Sialkot people, if they export good quality to other countries, and not to India, they are bad business people.
Yes, of course.
They are bad business people because it gets them money. So maybe there's some isolated episode in which some bad instruments came which were not checked, but I assure you it couldn't be intentional. It couldn't be intentional because business means business, that he would like to promote his business. So, sir, if you got a bad batch, try again. You will get good batch.
आपने पैसे कम तो नहीं दिए ये नहीं मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि जिस when you come into negotiations for business deal तो वो फिर चाइना वाली बात होगी ना कि चाइना जो पाकिस्तान में चीज़ें भेजता है वो इंफीरियर क्वालिटी की होती है.
Thank you.
LC का चक्कर भी नहीं किया. We paid the full money in advance.
Right.
Still we
बस
got
फिर
inferior
वो
quality
उसका
goods.
फायदा उठा गया.
Sorry.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think this has been a very interactive session, and you know it is not something that you would try to understand everything in just one conference. I think largely we are learning from from each other and also coming up with different ideas. I think there is an informational gaps also. I think there is we need to know what kind of information is there. How can this business can go forward? And I would like to thank everyone, especially our panelists, for responding to most of your questions. And I hope that the rest of the session will also go in a similar way. And I also, we do all hope that something would definitely come out of this conference. It's not just a conference for the sake of conference. So thank you so much. And Nisha, would you like to make a comment here?
I'll just invite everyone for lunch. Please join us. I think this was a very interactive session. And just to reiterate what Shehryar said, that there are huge information gaps between the two countries, and conferences like these can go a long way in addressing these information gaps. And with that, please, all of you join us for lunch. Yes.